Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. We're gonna have a very quick update for FTM. And before we're gonna start it, please make sure to read the disclaimer that I'm gonna post. Thank you. Hi and welcome back. So this is our previous chart for FTM. We have our update on this price right here. As per our previous charting, which you can check on our playlist, minor resistance can be around 8.618. A rejection from here, we can just opt for this level to be the support. Although for now, it's hovering around 0.80. And the target for FTM won't change. It will be the same as our previous update. Still looking forward for a test at 1.5. Then furthermore breakout, it's gonna be on its way to test its 80H. While for our major support, it will remain at our green line, lower than this range, which I don't really look forward to unless there can be a news that will cause that kind of move. Then the support will be a 0.618. Anyway, we have a news. Fantom Foundation creates a Sonic Foundation and Sonic Labs for the new Sonic chain. When Sonic chain goes live, the token of the network, which is S, will have a 1-to-1 ratio with Fantom's existing FTM token. Another news that we have is the SEC approving 19B for forms of BlackRock, Grayscale, VanEck, and other ETF issuers. They just need to have their S1 registration documents to go effective. Then the spot Ethereum ETF can start trading. According to Bloomberg ETF analyst, this can take a couple of weeks or longer, but we can already hear about the progress within a week or so. While for other news that you might need to know will be posted on our community wall. For now, that's it for our short-term support and resistance on this level. Long-term target for FTM will remain the same. I'm eyeing around 9.7. You may also comment what is your target for FTM. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have some coins for me to chart. Click the notification bell so you will be updated on new videos that I'm gonna upload. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.